Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I got this bucket truck. It's a 2007 Ford F550. So the problem with this one, it was the versalift hydraulic arm didn't move anywhere and didn't lift. So I thought the problem was a electrical solenoid or relief valve, but when I came here, I saw a lot oil everywhere on the bed. Then I checked the hydraulic oil level and it was empty. Okay. Then I add oil. I put like 2 around or 3 gallons of oil, and I try to move the arm to see where was leaking. And then I found this hose you can see here. The hose is broke. If you see here, this hose was fixed already, but they doesn't put shell or something for protect the hose, and this mirror cut this hose. So the easier way to fix it, I wanted to cut this off and put new fittings and get the crimper tool to crimp the fittings, and get the hydraulic hose crimper tool, but they don't have it, and they told me I have to order it, but it's gonna take like a couple weeks. And the customer told me he needs his truck he cannot wait a couple weeks to fix it. So the faster way but more hard to do it is disassemble all those hoses and take the hose off. But for that I need to put I put a mark already each hoses, because it's a lot of hoses over here and I don't wanna confuse, for when I put everything back. I don't wanna get troubles with these connections. So anyway, I'm gonna take the whole hoses off, and I was put a mark on those two because that hoses is coming all the way in here. They come connected right here, and I was putting mark on each hose but they had a mark already. And right here is leaking oil too. I'm gonna get the O-rings for those fittings, because there is O-ring between the fitting and the nut. But they already have a mark on each dam. You can see right here, each hoses. You can see right here. Then there is the other mark right here. This is the other mark. So I'm not gonna so anyway, like I say, this is the faster way to do it, but it's a little hard because I have to take all the hoses off, but I have no choice. So thanks for watching. Now I'm going to continue with my work.